You funny little baby. Oh my goodness, who's here? Who's here? Mama sit. Mama sit. Where's my good girl? You sit, Mama. You dropping your cubs off for me to watch? Huh? You're dropping your cubs off and you're taking off? Oh, so that's how it's done. Hey, babies. Hey, baby. Tell your mama to come back and get you. Tell your mama to come back and get you. Hi, baby. And people don't believe me when I say that mother bears bring me their cubs to watch. Here's proof for you. And of course, they're not going to really come in. And when they get a little bit bigger, I will not allow this. Hi, cuties. There goes the rug. You stupid little baby. You scared the shit out of you and the rest of your babies. Little funny duddy.
Come with me. With me, traveling in creation, what we see will lead from explanation. With me and the old bee in the world.
Will y'all behave in here, please? I don't. Hey, listen. Nellie, I'm talking to you mainly. Watch after her, okay? I'm serious. Remy, sit. I've got to go take some pictures of new kayaks, and I don't want them wandering all around the factories. Remy, will you please just do me a solid? Y'all eat your food, watch some birds. It's a beautiful day. Nellie, don't chew on my wires, please. You need to eat. You's a grown girl. Best behavior. Deal, all right? Don't let anything bad happen, okay? Sit. Shake. Good shake. Good shake. All right, we shook on it. It's been like 3 hours. Let's go check on the ladies. Well, mostly Bean. Yeah, it probably could smell me from all the way down the hallway. Hey! Look at that right there. That is a thing of beauty, Bean. That is a thing of beauty. You make your father so proud, Bean. Oh.
Cover him up, boo-boo. Cover him up. Cover him up. Good boy. Oh, good boy. There you go. Cover him up. Cover him up. Good boy. Cover him up. Look at this dog.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.